Hello and welcome to KnowledgeHut. As you may already be aware, there are 4 stages of the project lifecycle, namely initiation, planning, execution, closure. And in this video, we will discuss these stages in detail, including what these stages are and what are the steps taken during these stages. Let us begin with initiation. Business need, problem, or opportunity is identified in this stage. Ways to meet this end, solve this problem, or seize this opportunity are brainstormed. The objective of the project is figured out, feasibility is determined, and major deliverables are identified. Project management steps for the initiation stage include identification of the problem which your project will solve and make it certain whether your project will be able to deliver a solution to that problem. Identification of the scope by defining the depth and breadth of the project. Identification of deliverables by defining the product or service to provide. Identification of the project stakeholders by figuring out whom the project affects and what their needs may be, and development of a business case. You'll also develop a statement of work or project initiation document at the initiation stage. The statement of work is the document that captures and defines all aspects of your project. You'll note the activities, deliverables, and the timetable for the project. It's an extremely detailed document as it will lay the groundwork for the project plan. Next comes the planning stage. The planning stage comes when the project is approved to move forward on the basis of the statement of work and the business case. In the planning stage, teams are built. The large project is broken down into smaller tasks, and a schedule is prepared for the completion of all the assignments. Smaller goals are created within the larger project so that each goal is achievable within the time frame. Project management steps for the planning stage include identification of the project timeline, the tasks which are to be performed, and the possible constraints. Creation of workflow documents to visualize the project timeline. Estimation of budgets and the creation of financial plans with the help of cost estimates. Gathering resources by building teams and making sure that everyone has the tools required to perform their tasks. Risk anticipation by identifying potential quality roadblocks. It is important to have everything outlined and explained to the team so that the team members can quickly get to the work in the next stage. After planning, we reach the execution stage. In the above 2 stages, we worked on receiving business approval, developing a plan, and building our team. Now it is time to start working. In this phase, we will turn our plan into action. The project manager makes sure that the work is on track. He organizes team members, manages timelines, and makes sure that the work is done according to the original plan. Project management steps for the execution stage include creating tasks and organizing workflows by assigning granular aspects of the project to the right team members, explaining tasks to team members, providing necessary guidance on how the tasks should be completed, and organizing process-related training if necessary, communicating with team members, clients, and upper management, and providing updates to the stakeholders at all the levels, monitoring quality of work, and managing the budget. And finally, we reach the closure stage. This is a stage where we provide final deliverables, release project resources, and determine the success of the project. In this stage, the project manager also evaluates what did and what did not work with the project. Project management steps for the closure stage includes determining whether the goals of the project were met and whether the initial problem was solved. Evaluation of the team's performance, including whether they were able to meet the goals, along with maintaining the timeliness and quality of the work. Making sure that all aspects of the project are completed, with no loose ends remaining, and providing reports to key stakeholders. Conducting a final analysis of the project, taking into account lessons learned for similar projects in the future. So these were the 4 stages in the project lifecycle, and the different steps taken at each stage. We hope that this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.